the truth about our full moon's energy and how to use it. Ever feel like everything was boiling over to the surface all at once in your life? Your emotions spike, your energy surges, and you suddenly want to quit your job and confess your love to your ex. The full moon just hits differently. I'm walking you through why this moon phase is a cosmic pressure cooker and how to use it to heal, harness, and release. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to navigate this phase like a lunar pro. Plus, get access to my Lunar Bundle. Ever feel like you're at an emotional high and everything around you is crashing down all at once? Yep, been there too. The full moon tends to yank things out of hiding, like emotions, old wounds, and unfinished goals, and dump them all at your feet. It can feel messy, overwhelming, but also deeply illuminating. The full moon shows up about 14 to 15 days after the new moon. It's when the moon is completely illuminated in the night sky, symbolizing clarity, completion, and truth. Think of it like the aha moment in your personal story. Here's the flip that most people miss. This isn't just chaos, it's catharsis. What comes up isn't here to break you. It's here to break you open. The full moon energy is intense because it wants you to see clearly, so you can finally let go of what's blocking you. Bonus alert: if you've made it this far, you're officially a part of my moon family. Full moon. So, to celebrate, I'm doing a giveaway for my Phase to Power Lunar Bundle. It's a complete digital toolkit to work with all the common and uncommon phases of our moon. It includes rituals, reflections, a lunar calendar you'll actually use, and more. All you have to do: drop the secret word moonlit in the comments below. I'll pick a random winner when I get 10 or more comments with a secret word included. Stay tuned to find out if you won. During this time, nature is fully charged. Oceans swell, animals howl, while humans cry in bathtubs or feel euphoric without reason. And if you were born under this moon phase, you're most likely magnetic, expressive, emotionally intuitive, and often deeply creative. You're the spotlight souls, here to reflect truth to the rest of us. So, what are some practical ways to work with the full moon's energy? 1. Moon release ritual. Write down what you're releasing: doubt, habits, people, and burn or bury the paper under the full moon. 2. Cleanse your space and aura, physically and spiritually. Smoke cleanse, salt baths, decluttering. They all can move stuck energy. 3. Celebrate small wins. The full moon is all about completion. Honor your progress before you plan what's next. At the heart of this is something that I say in every video: all of your answers are within you. But the full moon acts like a flashlight in a dark cave, illuminating what was buried so you can choose to release, redirect, or rejoice. And that's the basis of what I teach here: awareness, alignment, and gentle power. And if you're ready to claim your bundle right now, it's called Phase to Power. And you can grab it in my shop, Pixie's Lair. Inside, you'll get an ebook, workbook, cheat sheet, updated lunar calendar, and more, all ready for you to print and work with right away. Next up, we shift from release to reset, the waning gibbous, a phase all about reflection, recalibration, and quietly reclaiming your space. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.